Getting started, we have to create a new folder. So I'll come into my reuse area and I want to create a new folder already did, which is called login page. So you guys should do the same. You create a folder called login page. And once you're done, you know the next thing to do, enter the page, JCMD.
As my dreadlocks are longer. I know
Once
say
you're
right
done
now, now
CMD,
my time
so
I
think
go
that's the
go
command
waste
prompt.
them rather.
This.
I go
Then once
use
this
them
is up,
rather.
type post dot and then press enter. By the time you press enter, it's going to pop out your window to the code. I'm sure you guys have done that. Then we'll move to the
So
next
if I
step.
do you wrong, I apologize. For the people who they
Okay,
sympathize,
yeah,
God
this
go
is what
make
we are
them
covering now.
larger.
Okay, so we'll be dealing with this project now. So the first thing first we need to do is create a new file. Just click it. Okay, so we can create a folder. Create the asset folder. And inside your asset folder,
It's full of
I want
snakes
you
and
to create a
spiders.
CSS folder.
Make
Inside
a
the
wrong
CSS
move,
folder,
lose your
I
life,
want
make
you
it
to
hard for your
create
mother to
the
sleep
index
at
folder.
night. Street no love you right.
This is what we have been
Some
wanting to
people
do.
they fall much
So what
right.
we're going to be doing now
Some
is we're
people
going to
they
be creating
pass me too.
our HTML structure for this web
Count
page.
your blessing one by one.
Okay, this
Sure
login
bet
page.
yeah. Time has
So
come
we'll
to
start
lift
by
our
creating
voices. Lift my voice in prayer.
wow. This is not allowing me to do what I want to do. Okay. I'm going to I have to do this in my previous code so you guys can understand it. The record one is not happening, which I don't know why. When other is happening, we have to create our this is so the first thing first is our container. Then we have the login container.
Oh Lord!
So we're just going to define our login
More
container.
music on
So inside
trendybeats.com.
our login container now, we're going to have now, and we're going to have our aside our main for the site. Okay, and inside our now we have the container.
We're from the block where we
The
reign,
reason why
where
I
we
arranged
create
them
barricades,
together
keep our position away. That's why we strap with the case. Don't get
then
kidnapped from your place, cause it could happen today. Not knowing how to behave, that is a sign that you made. Just lose your life with the waste. Your body
inside
found
our
in the
logo
lake. You
we have
fucked
the
around
flag.
and the fisherman found you drowning for days.
So
You know we come from
manage
a
the
place
logo,
where
manage the
people
flag.
smile but it's fake. How could they smile if you look around? They're surrounded by pain. I seen the sky
Same
turn
logo.
gray. It took the light from the day. It's like the
Inside
heads of
our
the
now
state ain't
we get our
comprehending the hate that the oppressed generate. When they've been working like slaves to get some minimum wage, you turn around and you blame them for their anger and rage. Put them in shackles and chains because of what they became. We are the monsters you made.
hashtag there
Calling me a monster, calling us fake.
okay.
You make the man and told the darkness awake. Calling me a monster just cause
So
we
we have
said
from
no
about
way, no way, no way.
the context. Yeah, so that's it. So we basically put it down with our now. So next we go to our main. So our main
DJ Selix in the mix.
we have this yeah. Okay. Inside this our main yeah. So this is our area. Our site. Okay. This is our media content. Inside this our media content. Now we have the guide.
Mo sọ fún ẹ tẹ́lẹ̀ ó gbọ́ràn.
The first one.
Àwọn tàdé nuga ti dé yàgò lọ́nà. Mo fojú mi rí contract lójoojúmọ́. Àbí ojú ẹ̀fọ́ ni yóò ríran. Ṣé mi rí lórí DVD? Àbí TV ní place where I dey?
So,
Everyone can see. No be under the pride of my team. Get money easily. I'm a
anytime
no
now,
friends, no I can see. I want to be a
you have
happy.
to
Get one of them.
take I
turn
link
down,
from now. You
but
can see the
guys
phone
need
now.
moving with the link
It's
up. Joha, I pay looking up, and I'm million of the mix up. We on top, and you know that, and we woke up, see, but not up. 104 plus 2, no, yeah, I want to put your 6 up. When you come up with a notch, a quack of a kahana, come see, I've seen ups and I've seen down, and better them along, I'm a lock up. Check out the contact, every money come a hunchback, every money come a punchback. On the mamune, jip your black, okay, my mango upbeat, with more heat, yeah, see you lead, and yeah, still eat. My God, I want me book on the big eat, gold mine and a dig it, still standing and still feet. Every single book a big hit, I'm going to send them my poop pizza. If I hear my egg, I'll hally and they will pull it, I got Kuali and that's not like a pichali, I put my breast up pichali. I ain't a yellow cotton on a tipper, on a mellow haja, while I tipper. Keep pointing at me, why the pretty ladies waiting for me? The only time you can look down on me, but so when you're praying for me, I got money on my left hand and I can't look on my right hand. And only something you gonna move, you move to my love for to go giddy. Link up, call them a guys, made a link up. So link up, but a million of them mix up. So link up, tell them my price just went up. Not over to put your 6 up.
I just did look at my city, look at my people they drink up. I just made 25 million, look at my niggas they drink up. Mrs. Sprite and belly lean up, somebody roll weed up. Tell them my boss made them link up, tell them my boss made them link up. And I saw the rise selling money, now they look for money. Nothing you can tell me, no they call me if you no get money for me. Every money where I rise, I know see money.
Now we go to the next
This
one.
one no be laughing
The next one control what Hawaii.
I want them in go, make all of my people they link up.
You know me, I know they rap fast, but for this rap, man, I had to fast like 7 days and 7 nights. Cause so many haters wanna see me crash on time. I'm better than this song, how he just did give me cash. And the girls love it, then they give it up. When they see the lights, then they give me ash. Now I'm believing us.
I would like to smoke some weed. I would like to smoke some weed.
This guy is dancing on the required.
Have some marijuana in my house that I would like to smoke with you. Oh, I would like to smoke some weed. I would like to smoke some weed. We have some marijuana in my house that I would like to smoke with you. This girl that I see her every day. Cause every day she a come around my way till one day me notice that she on the highway. So me walk up to her like, baby, where I say, baby, you fi understand. I just bought a quarter pound from Mr. Chan. And Mr. Chan, I come from Japan. Anything you talking, not gonna understand.
Oh baby, how would you like to be my queen? Let me ask you again, baby, would you like to be my queen? Let me be your king. I told you that I love you.
DJ Selix in the mix.
I like your eyes in the Select, Zoyana. I told you that I need to. Still haven't made me any answer. How would you like to be my queen? How would you like to be the mother of my kids? Yeah, how would you like to be my queen? Oh, mommy,
So that's for our 50. So this is it. So I hope you guys have listened to it.
Burner, boy,
My advice is to
burner, boy, burner, boy. Listen. See, I've stepped on shoes and I've stamped on toes. They said I was too quick to let the Mac unload. Before I sit back and let the facts unfold. But still they hid the truth, so the facts untold. I've had to rip the seeds that my man them sowed. I did a little time, but I'm back on road. So I'ma say the facts they held back from gold. Always been a hustler, my man them know. Let my emotions sleep. If I should stumble off my feet, I hope that no one sees.
DJ Selix in the mix.
I like it.
So I just put all my pain and my problems in a styrofoam cup and drink it all away. Yeah. So here we go.
confused outside, you're new outside. So watch how you move outside. Better not get confused outside, I go lose outside. So watch how you move outside. You know go know if you know go. Don't try and reap what you don't. So anytime you dip a road, better don't.
I can't remember how it happened. Tell me now. And if I feel it any deeper, I might drown. Now I know you can never tell what is going down from the outside. Outside, outside, I'm on the outside.
Any obstacle on the way, I go put those on straight away. Even if I get the fever, from my landlord on the crazy. As long as happiness stay in my radar, I no go keep on face. I don't need to go to fly high. I got the natural high. I don't need to think too much. I was thinking a problem instead of reason solution. Come in me to breathe, come in me to chill, come in me to flex and enjoy my life. Come in me to clean, without explanation. Come in me to lead, so you go to say we must move, we go good. As long as you're blessed, you get from
trendybeats.com.
we go good. No matter where you come from, we must move, we go good. As long as you're blessed, you get from we go move, we go good.
I know we different style we delivering. I don't have the equivalent, different predicament. Every day a different problem, different life from with government, different politics, people with different qualities, different things them happening, different feeling, looking for a different healing. Read it with a different meaning, different book, come with a different look. Same split, different hope, different election, sell a different fast hope. Then they make us with a different rope. It's a different time, different things pan my mind, different steps me a climb, while them connive, different egos collide, back full of different nights.
Differently though, although we different, still we similar. Every man bleed blood, that's a big similarity. 7 billion show one cinema. One world we live in a
So here comes the African giant. Many people don't try to can't test the African giant. Give me your more logo. You know get the person when you know. Making them logo. Oh no, making it the do like go. Nobody do it better than me. Can nobody do it better? Check a man see. I know say one day he go better, go carry Grammy. No say one day he go better, go carry Grammy. No say one day he go better, go carry Grammy. No say one day he go better, go carry Grammy. Because anything we better require planning. Don't be, nothing you can do. Because God did not go give you more than you can undo. That's what them mama go holla, ebelebebo. That's what them papa go holla, ebelebebo. Obodo denu go chim chim. Obodo denu go chim chim. Obodo denu go chim chim. Oluwabona. Be to Joe. Ina, you know me to the top. Ina, you know me to the top. Go Danny Bajo. Go Danny Bajo. Go Danny Bajo. I don't want to talk to you. Waiting they happen, no. Now me they won't stop you. Mission impossible. When the money come, people plenty come. When the money not there, now they look my face. They talk Ina, you know me to the tongue. Ina, you know me to the tongue. Go Danny Bajo. Go Danny Bajo. Go Danny Bajo. Can I not be happy? happy out there. I'm from the streets of Africa. If it was speakers in my mind, I bet it was tough.
Oh Lord!
Shirt off like I ain't got no clothes. 'Cause where I'm from, there ain't no snow. So I refrigerate my flow. That's how a nigga keep it cool. How can I not be happy out there? I'm from the streets of Africa. Even if I don't have no money, my nigga Tunde by the bar. They call me, you know I burn, 'cause I'm so
DJ Selix in the mix.
Always be on my feet, darling. If you know me, I'm no regular.